Welcome, in front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'll show you how you can remove or add SIM pin to your SIM card. So we have to go for the settings at the first. Next you have to go for security, scroll down and find SIM card lock. Right now you have to go for the SIM first or SIM second, depend on which slot you input your card. And right now you have to tap on this switcher if you want to remove your PIN code, and then input your currently code, click OK, and as you can see right now this PIN code was removed. It's not going to be required. And if you want to add PIN code, just tap on the switcher, input new PIN code, click OK, and as you can see it's finished. And that's how we can make it. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.